Okay, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD. And today's Friday, December 1st, 2023. It is 2:23 and 33 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time. And today's research, mutant protein. So let's hop to it here. As cracking the code, researchers unravel how mutant protein drives cancer growth. Date November 28, 2023. Source, Walter and Eliza Hall Institute. The researchers have solved the mystery about the most important driver of cancer development, a mutant protein found in half of all cancers, and how it contributes to tumor growth. The p53 protein is a tumor suppressor that plays a crucial role in preventing the formation of cancerous cells, but when it mutates and becomes defective in cells, the protein can significantly boost a person's risk of cancer development. In the first, researchers have revealed what behaviors in the mutated protein are critical for fueling tumor growth, a discovery that offers new directions for the development of treatment options. The findings show for the first time what traits of the mutant p53 protein are critical for driving cancer growth. Mutations in this protein are the biggest driver of cancer development and are found in half of all human cancers around the globe. The discovery will help rethink ways to therapeutically treat cancers with p53 mutations, leading to new, improved cancer treatments in the future. When it works properly, the p53 protein serves as a powerful defense mechanism against cancer development by ensuring that cells with compromised DNA either get repaired or removed from our body. Mutations to this protein can be triggered by a variety of environmental factors, such as exposure to UV radiation if the body cell division process goes awry, or if they are genetically inherited, as these abnormalities can lead to a dysfunctional protein that has lost the crucial ability to regulate cellular responses that prevent tumor development and growth. This is known as loss of function. Additionally, some researchers believe these mutations can also lead to a supercharged protein that helps cancerous cells survive and proliferate, known as gain of function. The scientific investigators and microbiologists say understanding how exactly these mutations contribute to cancer is critical for understanding how to treat patients bearing cancers with the dysfunctional proteins. As this is significant because, until now, there was not much evidence available to properly show whether it is a protein's loss or gain of function that spurs cancer growth. If you look at all cancers of humanity, about 50% of them have a mutation in p53. Specific cancers like those of the pancreas, lung, and breast commonly have defects in these proteins. The study utilized a powerful gene editing tool CRISPR to remove 12 different mutated versions of the protein with reported gain of function effects. Researchers found there is no change in the behavior of cancer cells in growth or response to chemotherapy. The scientific investigators and microbiologists were able to restore p53's normal function that were lost when the protein mutated. They found this reduced cancer growth in preclinical models. As having these tools at their disposal allowed them to assess 157 different p53 mutations. The mutations they looked at basically account for at least 90% of human cancers with defects in p53, which will provide crucial insight when informing the development of new anti-cancer strategies. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, Pathophysiology, and Nature of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have an awesome day.